Good afternoon, everybody. We are taking a look at the Dow Transportation. It's part of our economy. And, when they do well, things are doing well better fundamentally. And that is the fundamental part. And the Dow transports and the NASDAQ transports, the transports is a very big part of our existence here of how goods and services are being produced and with the productivity and how we're getting things around the U.S. And when we had put in the bottoms in '09, this had led it higher. It also was the one that let it down in '08. And what we're looking at is that we look at key components because it's a major index that we watch on a daily basis. It's very important. If I show you here on the weekly, it's a 3-week reversal, it's just as important as the very same 3-week reversal on the S&P. And it is. And it's just as important when you take a look at the Dow Jones, what its doji top reversal 3 weeks and its attempted buying. That's only 30 stocks. However, let me go back to the transports, as I just gave you the same 3-week reversal, is that this is day number 2. It's Tuesday. And basically, it's a 3-week reversal with the counter trend. I'm having a problem with the actual buying. But however, on day 5, we will see if the transports can outtake the last week's selling. So we need to see a lot of people buying in here, and this is the place that they feel they can get in. Because the Dow transports were just on the verge of it undercut the 20-week. That's the red line. The problem that I'm having, this yellow one is called a 100-week moving average. The 100-week moving average is descending and has been all the time that we were making the top. Because of that declining 100-day moving average, that means that the moves back up here are not going to be sustainable for the longer term support levels. That 100-day, 100-week, it's a weekly one, will eventually have to flatten out. But here's the thing. Let's pay attention that we undercut that 10-week. We undercut. One of the things about mastering part of the overall broader market is having a clear understanding of where the key components of our economy is and where the reversal was. We got overbought, so we've had a 3-week reversal. Now it's about where the buyer steps back in. In other prior pullbacks, we've had double week, but we made another high. We had these double week pullbacks, and we made it either a double top with the pullback, and we broke higher. Same thing over here. Back in June, we had pullbacks, and then the trend went up. We're monitoring very carefully in the Dow transports is, do we get the same pullback and the same buying as we have had in the full, complete cycle of the uptrend? And where is the broader based market right now as far as those buyers go? Where are they now? And this is part of what we're monitoring. This diagonal trend line that comes off of here, as soon as it gets it on the chart there, I'm having a little bit of problem with this trend pencil. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. That was a bottom pullback. That was a bottom pullback. And it goes right up to that red bar, the second week of that reversal. That means if I draw a trend line that until I'm trading back above this breaking bar right there, until I am actually, the transports are actually going to consolidate back above half of this down bar, this is the longer trend structure, I will remain bearish. There are cycles to trend reversals with counter trends. The major one that we need to see here is how the Dow transports, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the S&P as a whole in the broader part, and the NYSE and those people are coming back to buy equities. Now, the NASDAQ comp and NASDAQ 100 and the Internet Index is heavily tech related. and that tech trade worked all year. But here's the problem that I'm having with the transports is that on the weekly level by the end of Friday, I need to see a close above there and a consolidation and a support level. If I do not see that, then this is the beginning breaking phase of the transports. What I'm providing here on the tape is what the characteristics of the top, the counter trend to the top reversal here, and what has to happen in order to get higher up here. You can't go higher unless that reversal is taken out and what that will look like. And once again, come and join us at www.stockmarketfunding.com or call us today at 702-685-0772.